Today is the International Day of Yoga. It is recognized worldwide to promote mental and physical fitness. Now, different people define yoga in different ways, but in simple terms, yoga brings together physical and mental disciplines to achieve a peaceful body and mind. It helps manage stress and anxiety and keeps you relaxed. The yoga asanas build strength, flexibility, and confidence. So this year, we decided to celebrate the World Yoga Day by doing it a little bit differently. Now, flexibility is one of the high points of performing yoga, but it is also one of the high points of the Renault Triber, which is not only an ultra-modular car with 4 flexible modes and 100+ seating combinations, but also one of the safest cars out there with a 4-star global NCAP rating. Unreal, right?
Hello everyone, and my heartiest wishes on this International Yoga Day. I'm Siddhi Desai, the Artistic Director of Kalakriti Dance Academy. I've been practicing yoga for almost 10 years, and we train kids and adults in yoga, Bharatanatyam and Kathak. It's amazing to have one special day dedicated just for yoga. And let's keep spreading the magic of yoga with each passing day. We just saw the 4 amazing seating modes that Triber offers us. Now what we are going to do is we are going to explore each asana on each mode. So let's see how that looks like. So this is the Tribe mode of Triber, where all the seats are up. Now when you're sitting in the back seat for longer hours, it can be a little tiring. So we're going to gently explore and loosen our lower back. And what you do for this is just sit and keep your spine tall. And gently look to your left. And take a couple of breaths in and out here in this posture, and you repeat the same on the other side. This was the spinal twist. As you can see that we have removed the last seats. This is the life mode of the Triber. And since we have plenty of space around here, we are going to play with some asanas. So as I'm sitting, you can gently sit, keeping your spine nice and tall. And placing your right hand over your left knee. Gently stretch and bend to your right and look up. Take a couple of breaths in and out. And the same thing, you do it on the other sides. Take a couple of breaths in and out. And what this does is it releases any stiffness that's there around the center of the spine. So this is the surfing mode of Triber. Pretty exciting, right? And here we are going to try Paschim Uttan Asana. So as you can see, you can gently lie down. And you bring your right leg in front. And breathing out, you gently hold your toes or wherever you reach. Take a couple of few deep breaths in and out. Relax the leg and do the same with the other leg. Just reach wherever you are comfortable. Couple of breaths in and out. And gently relax. Finally, we are in the camping mode of Triber. As you can see, the last row seats are completely removed and the middle row seats are folded. And in this space, what I'm doing right now is the pigeon asana, which releases any stiffness that is there in the psoas muscle. And you can gently even bend forward for a nice deep stretch. And you can repeat this with the other leg as well. I hope you have enjoyed the International Yoga Day with me and Triber. Stay fit, stay healthy and stay modular.